Today we are going to talk about the matmul function of numpy arrays. The matmul function returns the matrix products of two arrays. Properties of matmul function. If both arguments are 2D, they are multiplied like conventional matrices. If either argument is ND, n greater than 2, it is treated as a stack of matrices residing in the last two indexes and broadcast accordingly. If the first argument is 1D, it is promoted to a matrix by prepending a 1 to its dimensions. After matrix multiplication, the prepended 1 is removed. If the second argument is 1D, it is promoted to a matrix by appending a 1 to its dimensions. After matrix multiplication, the appended 1 is removed. Matmul differs from dot in two important ways. Multiplication by scalars is not allowed. Use asterisk instead. Stacks of matrices are broadcast together as if the matrices were elements respecting the signature. Now we are going to see some examples using matmul. This is our Jupyter notebook provided by Google Colab. First example, matrix products of 2D arrays using matmul function. Here we import numpy as np. We define two arrays A and B. Then we write down np.matmul a, b, which produces the result of the multiplication of A and B. Now I run it. So this is our result of the multiplication. The operator that can be used as a shorthand for np.matmul on ND arrays. We have two arrays x1 and x2. They have only the imaginary parts. We write down x1 at the rate x2, which produces the multiplication of two imaginary portion. I ran it. That's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video.